You approach us. You remember, you don't have to talk to everybody. You don't have to go to the entire farm. We just want to see a part of exactly that, of how you would approach it.
What we hope to achieve essentially is to prepare a comprehensive document that basically profiles the several communities around St. Kitts and Nevis. We will be collecting demographic information, we'll be collecting information on the population structure, we'll also be collecting information on the economic situation in these communities. And of course, of interest to all is the living conditions. In addition to that, we want to get an idea of the assets of the community facilities, and whether or not they're utilized by both males and females, their conditions and what have you. To basically complete the process, we'll be looking at the social institutions that exist in the community and the target groups of these institutions to see whether or not people who need the services of these institutions are effectively targeted. And we want also to get an idea as to the human resource base of some of the communities to see when there's a project implemented by BNTF or by the Department of Social and Community Development, if we can target some of these human resource base for ease of implementation.
We had our first orientation and training session for the community mapping yesterday. This orientation brought together leaders of different communities from around the island, as well as students from different universities. We went over how we were going to carry out the exercise of community mapping, including workshops on the mapping itself and interviewing processes. We decided upon groups for different members of the communities, as well as upon our strategy for focusing on small communities first and then working our way onto larger communities at a later date. We kindly ask for your cooperation in the community mapping exercise because the information we gather will be very important to BNTF as well as other government agencies.